Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be installing some limb risers by Xomzema. These are cables that run from the front of the Bronco up to the top of the windshield on the header, and they help push limbs out of the way when you're on the trails. Let's go check them out.
A big thank you to Xomzema for providing the product for this video. This kit includes all the hardware you need to install this product. There are 4 powder-coated stainless steel brackets, 2 stainless steel adjusters, and the cables, along with the mounting hardware. First, you need to remove the 2 bolts on each of the trail sides. Once you've got those removed, you can marry up the mounting bracket to the outside of the trail site. This was a little more challenging for me because I have the trail armor on each corner on the front. But a little wiggling around and I was able to get them to fit. They're designed to have the nut facing on the outside. Once in place, tighten the nuts down. Take the first of the stainless steel adjusters, insert the linchpin, and then add the locking wire. At the top of the windshield, remove the protective cover by pressing the release tab on the top. Remove these 2 10mm nuts. Scarily, they were only on there hand tight from the factory. Remove the plastic plate and insert the upper mounting bracket. Note that the cutout in the center angles downwards. Replace the plastic insert and add the 10mm nuts to it. Tighten them down and then replace the decorative cover. Slide the Allen bolt and the washer through the first hole and attach one end of the cable. Add a second washer and then the 14mm nut. And tighten it down. Back down at the trail site, attach the wire to the adjuster. Use the linchpin and the locking wire. And then twist the adjuster to tighten the cable. And then screw down the locking nut. And now you can repeat this process on the other side. These are 10mm nuts and an Allen wrench bolt on the other side. Just make sure you don't tighten these down too much. The edges of the trail site are plastic and you'll crush them. And again at the top, you repeat the process, same as you did on the other side. You'll notice as I install these, the slots in the top of the mounting bracket. This means that you can still install a light bar should you want to, using these mounting brackets. Back down at the trail site, you can install the stainless steel adjuster. And attach the cable to the adjuster. Twist the adjuster to tighten down the cable, and then cinch down the locking nut. There's a link to the product in the description below. Here's a quick view from the inside of the Bronco. It's how you'll see them as you drive down the trails.
And there you go, another straightforward installation. Just be methodical about how you put it together. Make adjustments on the fly as you need to, and you should be good to go. The limb riser kit is really good quality. I like the coating on the wire. That looks like it's going to help protect it from the elements. The limb riser kit is going to help push bushes, branches, twigs out of the way as you're going down the trails. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.